what is going to be the framework for this weekly session. I will share that framework first, and then we will try to include your goal in that framework, and we will move towards your goal every week, kind of thing. Like that's why I've asked for the goal. Like goal in terms of the clarity of the product you are offering, goal in terms of the revenue you want to generate, goal in terms of the kind of community you want to build, the goal in terms of kind of impact you want to build in the society. So goal in like its goal is not a single one thing. Goal can be many things. So for this week I want to think about in terms of goal, what at the end of the day, in terms of revenue, in terms of product, in terms of impact, in terms of community, uh, if you can write it, if it can be handwritten, or if can be digitally written, just write about your goal as much as possible. This one thing can give you lot of clarity, that what systems, what processes, what support you required from others. Right. So here in consultancy, e-learning and e-commerce, this is a so wide term. You will keep learning. We will be in the phase of learning, and not getting any result. Like we can endless learn on this topic, but if we have to minimize the every effort, we have to minimize the learning effort as well. We have to minimize the system efforts. We have to minimize the structured effort. We have to minimize the process effort. So if that term is quantifiable, in 90 days I have to launch my e-commerce, or in 7 days I have to launch my version 1, or in 60 days I have to generate my first paid client, or in 1 year I have to achieve like 10 lakh in revenue. So these quantifiable terms can give better idea that what support I can give you, or what support from wherever you are, what kind of support you are looking from your son, or from your family, or from your like from your trainers or online medium. So that can give you a better idea. So this week, one of the assignment, you may say that you can keep writing whatever is coming in your mind about your goal. Just write about your goal. Can we do that?
That makes sense, because see, ultimately we have to be focused on what we actually want to achieve.
Right. So the
Okay.
clearer we are on
Yes.
that, the more confidence we will see, we will follow the like more confidence we will get to follow the path.
See,
So
in the e-learning arena, it is a very vast, what you call area,
right,
because
right.
I have been the business lead for MNCs on e-learning. Okay. And I personally designed it once upon a time. So if you look at it, you can get a lot of business on this. If you prepare a great e-learning, what you call website, and you provide various services, there are students, there are businessmen, there are industries,
Yes,
there are
that is
many other. So there are various segments which need these services, and at a cheap cost. People are not willing to. I have just now reviewed the industrial belt of here around Chandigarh. People are not willing to spend too much. When it comes to spending, they're not willing to spend. But when it comes to stealing other people's ideas, they're always at the front.
right.
And I'm very clear on this, ma'am, because I have seen it. People are very happy stealing other people's ideas.
Yeah. See, this is the, like someone is stealing your idea. That means you are on the path of success. That you
No, I
ban.
agree. But you know what they do? They ask you, please send me your resume, please send me your brief. From that brief, they will pick out the points.
All right, right. That's perfectly
This is
fine. Getting the
another. This is another treachery that is happening in our country. They ask you for your brief, and they will steal the
see,
ideas from the brief.
they can steal everything. They cannot
Yes,
steal your mind. They cannot steal your
I
vision.
agree.
They cannot steal your clarity, right?
I
So that's why I say that create your own vision. When I'm saying goal, I that is very unique to you. They can steal your topic, or their title, or their idea, or the product, or the anything they can steal, but they cannot steal your vision. Every single day you are seeing your like you are getting the clarity that how your product is impacting the community, or how using your product, how people are making money, or how you are solving the others problem, what innovatively like how creatively or innovatively you are adding value to that community. So they cannot steal that. See, Amazon, Flipkart, all these people, Facebook, they are great idea. So many people have trying doing stealing the ideas, or not stealing, just bluntly copying those ideas, but they cannot copy the vision. They cannot copy the clarity, they cannot copy the conviction, they cannot copy that like, okay, how uh, they cannot copy your enthusiasm. So it's perfectly fine. Okay, we will try to make sure that how much possible, like I work in Amazon, if you know that I'm working with Amazon full time. 2 o'clock I have to start my office, 9-10 hours job. I'm devoting my time to the Amazon, and I know that inside how secure it is, how much they are taking the security, and no one should know their system. So how much you can say that sometimes I feel so bounded. I cannot share anything, like I cannot, so many bondages, itne compliances are 1 2 3 compliance and you are out. So that way, or ek do compliance nahi hai, hundreds of compliances are there. So
No,
if
that's really important.
they are trying to protect the system. Definitely they are trying to protect the system, but at the same time they cannot stop copying others. Right. So yes, if you are creating, you are investing so much of time, money, training, effort, energy, team, so you have to take all possible effort कि आपका जो uniqueness है उसको आप कितना protect करके रख सकते हैं. Yes, we have limitation of time and money as well, but whatever possible, if once it is clear कि we have to protect this part is very unique to us, and I should not want to disclose this system to anyone. So you will try to protect that part, that unique part, very that recipe, you can say that कि कोको कोला का रेसिपी जो है वो कितने डॉलर्स में बिका था, एंड आज के डेट में कोका कोला जो है वो लीडिंग इन दैट. तो वो रेसिपी को आप जितना प्रोटेक्ट करके रख सकते हैं रखेंगे. रिकॉर्डिंग इन प्रोग्रेस. राइट, लेकिन यू कैन नॉट स्टॉप कॉपिंग अदर्स. आप कोई आपका कंटेंट कॉपी कर लेगा, कोई आपके पॉइंट्स कॉपी कर लेंगे, कोई आपकी वेबसाइट कॉपी कर लेगा, जो भी पब्लिक डोमेन में है उसको लोग कॉपी करेंगे, और वो कॉपी तभी कर रहे हैं when you are well visible in the, like if your website is coming on 100th position or 1000th position, is anyone going to copy your website? No. But if your website is coming in top 10, how many people will copy your website?
They will copy. Everybody will copy.
Everybody will start copying. Whoever want to start something in that. So that is the one way you are if someone is copying, that means ki, okay, you are doing good effort in that, but at the same time your recipe should be unique to you, and everything someone can copy, but your vision, your enthusiasm, your uniqueness, your clarity, and clarity come over a period of time. That's one thing I want all of you to write endless write. So if you are writing about goal every day, how many of you do goal writing every day, or occasionally, or anytime, any kind of rituals you do every day? From this small group, Madan, Hemangi, Seema, Meenakshi ma'am, any kind of rituals to get the clarity in your mind?
No, see,
to get manifestation?
See, there was a time when I used to write, okay, but of late, last 6 months, I have not written anything.
Okay, no worries. That's perfectly fine.
There were reasons and I stopped writing.
Any other ritual which you do every day to get better clarity on your goal, or to fasten the process of achieving your goal? Visualization, or a vision board, or like japa, any kind of japa, or anything you do to manifest your goal faster? Any ritual you do to manifest your goal faster?
Ma'am, I used to write, but now it is not continued. But at least I revise the goals, and I do meditations also.
Right.
I from last 6 months, from February, I was doing continuous exercises. Only last this 10 days I couldn't do because too much of workload. So morning I used to do yoga, and evening I used to do 1 hour session of exercise, and it increased my stamina. And what I felt that time कि I was not means थकान नहीं लगती थी. पहले physical exercise होने के बाद my body used to get tired up, but that was only for the 15 days. But after that it helped me a lot कि I was having lots of energy to do it.
So वो अभी मेरा you build the stamina.
And
That's
10 दिन अभी वो
fantastic.
छूट गया है, but yesterday only I was just telling my daughter नहीं अपने को अभी next week से चालू करना है. तो yeah, तो this way थोड़ा सा अभी ये बहुत gap, this is the biggest gap I had, this only 10 days का from February I was continuously doing. तो I felt like कि वो एक mind को ना give एक direction देता है. Yeah, we keep on revising our things also.
Right.
We get the clarity. We have that meditation session also in that exercise. So yeah.
Right. That's perfect. That's wonderful. That's wonderful. So this is one of my suggestions, recommendations, and whatever you will say, because I get a lot of clarity by doing some such rituals, and I'm a person like who start rituals very start the rituals, but I like so many rituals I'm doing at the same time. बहुत सारी चीजें मैं एक साथ करने लग जाती हूँ, तो उसमें से कोई चीजें कर पाती हूँ, कोई चीज छूट जाती है. But one thing, one single thing, if you will say कि that has helped me a lot, that your goal writing, 2 pages of goal writing every single day. If I can show you, like this kind of copy, I have filled 4, 5. You can say that how many copies? 4 copies I have already filled. So this kind of goal writing will help you. You can start writing. If you will say, we will start with this kind of goal writing I do every day. But what I would suggest is start writing at least 1 page or 2 pages every single day. Start writing about your goal, so that will give you clarity. How many of you want that clarity? How many of you are going to start with that goal writing? At least 5 goal, 10 goal, 2 goal, 3 goal, 1 goal every single day. Okay, right now I'm keeping up to you. You can start, you can see the difference. But in future, I will make it a challenge kind of thing that everyone should have to write 1 goal for next 1 week. We will organize a challenge. Okay, anything, Seema and Meenakshi ma'am, you want to add? What you do to get clarity on your goal?
Ma'am, tell me again. I couldn't.
So I want what because you are already doing so many things. How you are able to do so many things? I know that you are managing the business and hotels and like sari export import. So how you are how you keep yourself on track to achieve a particular goal? What rituals you do to fasten the process of achieving 1 goal?
Basically, I am only a school finisher. So I am like you, sister of 5 girls. I am the eldest.
Wow.
So from the basic, I have a urge that I have to do something and I have to be unique in my community. I have to do something for the people like that. From basic, we have goals. Though we have no brothers or fathers make us that you should grown like a boy, like a boy.
Oh, yes. Those are, so, you are forced. You can say that you are forced to achieve your goal because the situation, there no father.
No, not forced. He always told that though 5 daughters for me, but you have to be like a man, like a boy. You have to stand on your own leg, and you have to learn everything, study well, and you have to stand on your own leg. That way, he always guide us, not force us.
That means yeah, the situation was that there you automatically some yourself in that way.
Yeah. So after finishing school, I like you.
Yeah, yeah, ma'am, we have missed your voice.
Okay. Hello. Now okay.
Yeah, now it's okay.
Yeah. So after for my son, I didn't try to go out and do something. So within home, just Playway started. That I attended so many meetings like this to do different business, but that going out is not feasible at that time. Though my mother-in-law and my boys, small children are there. So one meeting I had in the government organ, MSME, they organized and work export from home. By that way, I get very impressed that we can try that. So that because I basically learned DTP, I studied, so I have not so much of computer at that time regarding marketing, online, everything. I joined India Mart and I tried by Playway. I tried so many things for my export, and luckily I got a small order from France. That way, my business journey starts.
Wow, wow, nice, nice. Thank you so much for sharing. So here the keyword is action, action, action. If you are taking action, the result will come. Whatever is coming in, that is also one of the things I follow. But whatever is coming in front of me, I take action. But like whenever we are procrastinating anything or we are not doing anything, it might be possible that we don't have clarity. We don't have clarity that what kind of result we can get from that action. So or we might not be doing the know-how of doing this. There can be two reasons. कि या तो वो लग रहा है कि मुझे आता है या but we are not actually, we don't know how to do it. So that can be the one reason, or we don't have clarity what kind of end result we are going to achieve from that action. So anyways, this is the one thing I want I request all of you, if possible, start writing your goal every single day. And here, before moving forward, today I'm supposed to discuss one topic. I wanted to discuss the block editing. Block editing. How many of you have done the block editing? Experimented with all the blocks of WordPress editing? So I wanted to go into the deep of the block editing. So do you feel that if you go into the deep of the block editing, you can design your page better? So I'm planning for that block editing. But apart from that, Seema has asked one specific question that she is not able to manage the one plugin, SEO, Yoast, and Sitemap. Yes, Seema? So we will discuss about that also, how we can have a sitemap and SEO Yoast. And apart from that, I'm planning to share my 90 days plan with you. Can I share my 90 days plan? I'm already sharing in my screen. If you are you able to see my screen? Can you see my screen? You can write it.
Yes, Mama.
Yes. So this is, as you say that I have invested huge these days. I'm planning to, not planning, actually I have invested a lot in this. And in next 90 days, I am on the mission to revamp my training venture. So this is a nine mission I have to go through. The first 6th July I have started, where I have to go and find the niche clarity, that niche in which topic, like when why I'm sharing it. The same thing you can follow on any business. So when I'm saying niche clarity, it has to be position yourself uniquely. So e-commerce, e-learning, or consultancy, or digital marketing, it can be very, very, very wide thing. So when we are talking about niche, I want you to think in terms of very, very uniquely. You have to position yourself uniquely. So let's suppose digital marketing for doctors, or website creation for small business owners, or YouTube, like if I will help you to become a YouTuber only for moms, YouTuber moms, or Instagram for retired professionals. So that way you have to if you are one-stop solution, it will take huge time, and result is not very sure. But if you are uniquely positioning yourself, you are the one, you are known for one thing, and then when people are coming to your world, you are offering many other things. So that way, whether you are in the e-commerce or e-learning or consultancy, create your own unique identity. Consultancy, consultancy, or real estate consultancy only for Chandigarh. So that e-learning, IT e-learning, or once you are identifying yourself for IT e-learning, then you can go and add dance and music and paint and everything else. But initially you have to find your unique positioning, because right now in the e-learning or real estate or e-commerce, those generic platform are so giant, like Skillshare or Udemy or Upgrad. ये सारे प्लेटफॉर्म जेनरिक, जहाँ पे सब कुछ मिलता है, उस तरह के इतने ज्यादा हैं कि उनके साथ compete करना, it will take some time. So niche strategy is all about positioning yourself uniquely. Two things: what is your product, who is your audience? What is your product, who is your audience? Right. So you have to uniquely narrow it down only for women, only for mom, only for working professionals, only for retired professionals, only for school children, or only for parent, or only for would-be mother. So that way you have to identify your unique target audience and unique product. Product means only sari, or only silk sari, or only Banarsi sari, or so your identity should be that, or only ethnic sari, or only like Kanjivaram sari. That way you have to uniquely position yourself. Is it niche strategy is clear for all of you? Whatever is product and services that you can apply. Right now, this is for the course point of view, because I'm launching the, I'm revamping my course, but you can apply in any other business. So when it comes to curriculum design, in curriculum design, right now I'm planning for the 6-step formula. Like you have to identify the 6-step. Using that 6-step, you are solving the problem. So no matter what, in which industry you are, you can identify those step 1, step 2, step 2, step 3, and step 4, and step 5, step 6, and you can solve the problem. What can be the first step? Right now I'm writing it curriculum design, but you can design in the 6th step. What can be the first step? It can be analysis. You can analyze, and then you can set a goal. All right, and then you can find tools and techniques or systems. To achieve that goal, you have to find tools and technique, tool or tactics or systems, and then you have to make it a routine. You have to implement these tools or use these tools as a routine every day, every week, every month. So you have to find in routine. And once you are following the routine, you have to just follow the routine, and then you can scale up. Then you can analyze again, like start selling or whatever that start selling, and then you can analyze and scale. So 6 steps you can follow to solve almost any problem. Right. So your current situations, what is the end goal? What is your current situation? अभी कहाँ है, कहाँ जाना है? अभी current situation कहाँ है और कहाँ जाना है? To achieve उस path को achieve करने के लिए क्या tools, क्या tactics, क्या support, क्या system, क्या what you need. So that will comes under tools. And using that processes, system, tools, tactics, you can find a routine to do it every day, or do it weekly, or do it like, let's suppose in case of my, I want to start a, I want to reach a people of 10,000 people, and I want to help 10,000 people to build their own website. So I have to find a routine to do, to make people know about that I can help them in website creation. So in that case, I have to make a routine of doing webinar every week. So that is one routine I can follow. Every week I will reach out to people and I will say, okay, this is the way you can create your own website. So this is the part of the routine. And for that routine, what I need a webinar selling system. So what is the webinar selling system? I need a Zoom, or I need a PPT, or I need whatever topic I will cover in that webinar. I need a flow of that. So that is the systems. So I need an email marketing systems where whenever someone is registering, they can get the automated mail. So that can be the part of tool systems. So using that tool and system, you can create a routine. And then you start actually building the community and selling the product, and start offering your product and services. And once people are coming to your community, once your audience is coming to your community, always ask for the feedback, analyze and scale. Feedback and analyze, and then you can scale. So this 6 step you can apply on any formula, right? So next week, this is the week 1 plan. You can say that week 1 plan is niche strategy. You have to position yourself uniquely. Second step, you have to identify that 6 step, that what are the steps you are going to follow to solve the problem. Because this curriculum for course, it's a curriculum because I'm following this 6 step to to help you to create your own website. So that for me, that is the what is your current situation of your website, what is the goal for your website, what tools and techniques you require to set up your website, what are the routine you can follow to have your website, and then how you can reach out or sell or reach out to your audience for your how you can attract more traffic to your website. And then you can start working, taking the feedback from the others, and start working, analyze, and keep working and scale your website to add more e-commerce store or LMS store, or add consultancy to it, so you can scale it in the next level. So that way you can follow it for the website. So just apply this 6 step and you can solve any problem of your life. You can apply this 6 step and you can solve any problem of your life. So this is my second week plan. And third week plan, I'm planning for lead generation. So if you are weekly coming to this session, I will be sharing that what tactics I have applied for the lead generation. And the fourth week, I will go out vigorously to do that influence building, like doing Facebook Live or YouTube Live, or like connecting with the community weekly. So I will add value. So if you are weekly coming, I will keep updating you that what I'm doing. So fourth week will be all about influence building. Fifth week is all about brand building. Brand building means now people know you, so you can have that brand of you can have a professional photo shoot. I will go for the professional photo shoot, or whatever courses that are there, I can design a professional boxes for that. To productize that course, I can design the boxes for that course. I can like my brand should reflect from my logo or text or color or font. So I will fifth week totally on the brand building. Sixth week, website setup. This is the one thing I have taken and I'm helping people to build a website. So sixth week is totally focused on the website. Seventh week is totally focused on webinar system. So what webinar system I required, what automations I required, what will be the frequency of the webinar, what will be the duration of the webinar, which tools I'm using, Webinar Jam or Demio or Zoom, what is the pros and cons of all those tools. So seventh week totally dedicated to the webinar system. Eighth week, I will plan a live course. Either I can plan a live course or I can share a recorded video. I'm planning for both. So first you will get a recorded video, and then you will come to the live session. So eighth week will be actual course will be in place. And then week nine will be that start selling. Like in routine, 3 times a week or 2 times a week or once a week, I will start selling this course. So actually I'm start doing it in 90 days. I'm keep practicing it. I'm going to do it, but this is the more structured way. Every week I'm focusing on one thing. So focus has a lot of power. In any way, all these things I'm doing in bits and pieces, but I want to make it a solid foundation. So weekly, I will focus on one thing and make that aspect of this business more strong. And it's not the one cycle. In 90 days, I will complete this 9th week. In 90 days, like in 3 months, this is one cycle. Every 3 months, I will come. You can say that every single 3 months, I will have a version 1, version 2, version 3, version 4. So every 3 months, I'm going to repeat that cycle. So this is my plan. So if you find it useful, you can every week I will take 5-10 minutes time to share what's working for me. So whatever is working for me on the digital medium, that definitely I want to share with you, so that you can apply on your in your product and services as well. So do you feel this is useful if I will share with you weekly? Yes or no? Do you want me to share these things to you on weekly basis? Yes, Seema is saying, Meenakshi ma'am is also interested in that. Himangi Goyal sir, will you find this useful? Yeah. Yes, Seema is saying your experience is our shortcut. Yeah, because I have invested approx to 1.1 lakh, like 1,10,000 मैंने कोर्स पे इन्वेस्ट किया है. उसके अलावा अप्रॉक्स 1 1-1.5 लाख मैंने सिस्टम एंड प्रोसेसेस पे इन्वेस्ट कर रही हूँ, लाइक टीचेबल और कन्वर्ट किट और फेसबुक एड और लाइक डेमियो और जूम और सो आई एम इन्वेस्टिंग अ लॉट अप्रॉक्स। ये पूरा का पूरा 3 to 4 लाख का इन्वेस्टमेंट है और सब मिला करके मुझे लगता है 90 डेज में ये 5 लाख का इन्वेस्टमेंट चला जाएगा। So I want you should not be investing those 5 lakhs. This 5 lakh of my investment should help you to minimize your time, minimize your effort, minimize your money investment. Right. So having said that, that's nice. Thank you so much for giving me opportunity to share with you. And now we are moving to our website part. Are we ready for our website? And at the end of the day, my goal is to achieve, there is a hall of fame that is called 3 lakhs by 21st August 21. I'm aiming for 30 lakhs. I'm aiming for 30 lakhs by 21st August 2021. But here the benchmark is 3 lakhs, but I'm aiming for 30 lakhs by 21st August 2021. And by the end of this year, December, I'm aiming to hit 1 crore. And by 2023, I'm aiming to hit 10 crores in revenue. So this system, this 9-step, I have to follow every single 9 months. Then only that's why version 1, you have to keep improving the version, and there is only one way. Once we will find the system, we have to repeat and improve and enhance that system. Every version we have to improve it. So whatever will be working, I will share with you, and whatever will not work, that I will also share with you. So every week I will share one what is the best working for me and what is not best working for me. Guys, thank you so much, Seema. Thank you so much, Meenakshi ma'am. So thank you so much, Goyal sir. Now let's come back, and in this entire mission, you guys are most crucial part of this entire mission, because I want people to be digitally successful. That is the only way I can be the successful. It's a Digital Success Academy, Digital Seekers Academy. I'm planning to change this name, Digital Seekers Academy, to Digital Success Academy. And my goal is to whoever is coming in my community, they should have a very clear goal in terms of revenue. And as I am hitting my revenue goal, my community should hit their revenue goal as well. This is my deal. This is my goal for my revenue, my community. That if I can achieve that revenue goal, then only I can help you to achieve your revenue goal. So right now, like 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh, that I can achieve. If your revenue goal is anything between in thousands to 3 lakhs, in 1,000 to 3 lakhs per month, that revenue goal, that path I know already. I'm already hitting that target. So yes, in that direction, I am here to help you. But beyond that, I'm working towards that, and I want you to set up. That's why I asked that what is your digital success goal? That's why I asked in the next week, I want you to be very, very, very clear in terms of revenue. I mean to say that there can be many other goals, but if we are quantifying our goal in terms of revenue, then it's easily trackable. It's easily measurable. At the end of the day, we want to do everything along with making money. So in next session, I will I will have an exercise where you will set up your own revenue goal for next 1 month or 3 months, and then I will help you to achieve your revenue goal in that. Right? So next week you will be clear with your goal, and that will come when you will start writing about the goal. Do you feel you can start writing about the goal and you will get that number, 1 lakh or 5 lakh or 10,000 or 20,000 or 50,000 or 1 crore? So whatever you feel that you can achieve in next 90 days, that should be that you can keep in the goal. 3 months, you can keep the goal in terms of 3 months, 6 months, 1 year or 3 years. So what revenue you want to achieve in 3 months, what revenue you want to achieve in 6 months, what revenue you want to achieve in 1 year, and what revenue you want to achieve in 3 years. So you can have this kind of steps. So when you will start writing, then you will find that that number. Or any of you have that number clear right now? 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, and 3 years. if you have that number in mind, you can share this number, and I will help you to achieve, because if it is in my framework, I will help you to achieve that. You can share if you have, if you are clear about your revenue numbers for next 90 days, for next 180 days, for next 365 days, and for next you can say that 900 days, 1000 days. So 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, and 3 years. What are the numbers you want to achieve? Okay, so okay, so already started. Yes. Wow. In 90 days. In 1 year, so you have to share the number. In 90 days, what number? In 1 year, what number? In 90 days, 1 lakh. In 1 year, 1 crore. So whatever, you have to share that number. And then I will make you create the goal card. I have created one goal card. I will share the goal card with all of you, and you all also have to create that goal card, and you have to keep that goal card with you. And for next 90 days, every single day, we have all of us, we will read that goal card in the morning and in the evening. So that process we will follow. But for that, let's take 1 week time. Let's take 1 week time. Seema is saying 90 days, 3 lakhs. Wow, nice. Don't know possibility with this platform. Don't know possibility with this platform. So this platform, till you are very wide, that's why once your revenue goal is clear, we can backtrack from there. So once the revenue goal is 3 lakhs, we can backtrack from there. How you are going to achieve that 3 lakhs? For 3 lakhs, what is the cost of your product? What is the for if you want to achieve? Let's backtrack for Seema. Seema has the clarity. In next 90 days, she want to achieve 30 lakhs. She want to achieve 3 lakhs. Okay, Seema, what is your product cost? What is your level 1 product cost? So whatever you are offering, what is your level 1 product cost or your level 1 service cost? So currently 5,000. So to achieve the 3 lakhs in 90 days. So in 90 days, how many customer you want? How many customer should have the paid customer in your community? To achieve that 3 lakhs, and each one is buying 5,000 rupees product, then how much customer you should have to achieve the 3 lakhs in 90 days? How much paid customer in 90 days? Calculating. Seema is calculating, because that number is clear, then only you can work towards that. So let's calculate this for Seema. Seema want to achieve 3 lakhs, and her product cost is 5,000, right? So need how much customer? She needs 60 customer. She needs 60 customer. So 60 customers in 90 days. 60 customer in 90 days. Is it achievable, Seema? Yes, 60 customer in 90 days. So now for 60 customers, if in 90 days, how many week it is? In 90 days, how many week it is? 12 weeks. Let's keep it 10 weeks. And we are keeping the buffer of, we are keeping the buffer of 2 weeks. And you are going to achieve this goal in 10 week, 10 week, right? In every week, 10 week, you need 60 customers. In 10 week, you need 60 customers. So how much customer every week? How much customer every week you need? You need 6 customer every week. So for 6 customer every week, if 6 customer paid should pay you every single week. For six customer pay, how you are converting those customers? How you are converting those customers is one-to-one call, or is a webinar, or is like you are directly asking people to buy the product from your website. So how you are asking people to pay you in the webinar, or in one-to-one, or on your website? On webinar on website. So right now website, you are not like, you may not have that trust. So you in website is perfectly fine. You can also, right now we are talking about the webinar. So you want you can do one webinar weekly. Are you doing one webinar, two webinar, or three webinar weekly? Currently one webinar weekly. So you are doing one webinar, and in every webinar you want 6 paid customer to if can we assume 10% conversion in your webinar? Can we assume 10% conversion in your webinar? Means 100 people are coming and 10 people are buying. Is yes, that can happen. 10 people. For me, conversion rate is like it's 30%, 40%. Like 20 people come and approx 8-9 people buy. So but I'm going to the minimum. I'm going towards the minimum, and for every single thing, it's not that easy. I'm saying it's not easy. You have to follow the system, you have to follow the process, you have to do the lot of brainstorming. So yes, 10% is not it can be the towards towards the bottom goal. But at the same time, if you are not following the processes, if you are not following the right system, if you are not giving the right energy. So I have so many people who have done like 10, 20, 30 webinars and zero conversion. So it's that is the grinding phase, that is the learning phase, that is the, for every webinar should give you an idea that what is working and what's not working. So anyway, so we are assuming the minimum where 10% people are converting. So 10%, how many of 10% is 6? How many people should come to your webinar so that 6 people buy? So how many of 10%, like math is 60 people? 60 का 10% कितना होगा? 60 people. So you want that in every webinar you should have at least 60 people. If 60 people are coming to your webinar, you can do the 10% conversion, and that you can hit the goal of 6 conversion every week, and 10 week it's going to work. So you are doing one webinar for rest 5 days. One day you are doing webinar, rest 5 days you have to work towards to get that 60 customers. रेस्ट 5 days, वीक में एक दिन आप वेबिनार कर रहे हो, वीक के हफ्ते में 7 दिन होते हैं, एक दिन आप वेबिनार कर रहे हो, बाकी के 6 दिन you have to work towards to get those 60 people. Rest 6 days or 7 days, 6 days you have to work towards 5 days to get that 60 people. So now how you are going to get that 60 people? Now the question is how you are going to get that 60 people. So you are going to, how many Facebook connections you have? You can just 800 Facebook. How many WhatsApp connections? It's 400 WhatsApp connection. LinkedIn, 12K on LinkedIn. And mail, email list. If any you have email list, even you can start with a 0. If any of you have 0 people, that also perfectly fine. So right now you have organic reach. I mean to see that organic reach. Organic reach you have 800 plus 400 plus 12,000 plus 500. So 12 approx 13 approx 14,000 people. 14,000 people. Instagram 8,000. So approx 14 to 20,000 people are in your reach organically. You need not to, what you have to do, you have to find the mechanism to share your ideas. You can go and do the Facebook Live or Insta. You might be doing already Insta Live or Facebook Live, or sending the messages to the relevant people, or whoever is in your email list, nurturing that email list. And the best way I find is do one value added video. do one value added video on your website or on your blog or on a Facebook live or Insta live. Do one value added video of 5, 10, 20 minutes maximum. Value added video means 10 minutes of Facebook live. 10 minutes of Facebook live, you are giving best of the best value. In 10 minutes अपनी लाइफ का जो बेस्ट लर्निंग है वो आपने 10 मिनट में शेयर कर दिया कि इंस्टाग्राम में सक्सेस होने के लिए ये 10 चीजें कैन मेक यू इंस्टाग्राम रॉकस्टार इफ यू आर एग्जीक्यूटिंग. कैन यू शेयर दैट कि 10 मिनट में इंस्टाग्राम में सक्सेस का 10 टिप्स आप दे सकते हो विच हैज रियली वर्क फॉर यू? Yes, value added one, not every day. No, don't do every day. Do it one day. No need to do every day. Even if you are doing one day, let's suppose you are doing one day. Week में एक ही आपने एक वीडियो किया, one day a week. If you are doing every day, that's fantastic. But you are doing one video, value added video. Copy that video link, and add that value to these 20,000 people which are in your organic reach. जो एक वैल्यू वीडियो आपने किया है उस वैल्यू वीडियो को आप ये 10,000 20,000 जो आपके नेटवर्क में हैं उनको वो वैल्यू आप स्टार्ट सेंडिंग दोज वैल्यू एडेड वीडियो टू देम. वी कैन डू वन वेबिनार. ठीक है, हमने एक वेबिनार कर लिया. वी कैन डू वन फेसबुक लाइव और इंस्टा लाइव ऑफ 20 मिनट्स वैल्यू पैक्ड इंस्टा लाइव, वो कर लिया. अब ये जो आपने वैल्यू एडिशन वाला वीडियो बनाया है उस वैल्यू एडिशन को पूरे वीक आपको 10,000 लोगों को रीच आउट करना है. आपके अपने मेल में और अपने फेसबुक में और अपने फेसबुक मैसेंजर में और इंस्टाग्राम मैसेंजर में और स्टोरी में और व्हाट्सएप स्टोरी में और लिंक्डइन मैसेजेस में और लिंक्डइन स्टोरी में. कैन यू शेयर दैट वन वैल्यू एडेड? So if you are sharing that 10 tips to be a rock star on the Instagram, people will find this useful or people will find it spamming. If one or two people are finding it, they're perfectly fine. You can ask them to, okay, they can block you, or they can if they are not target audience and they are not finding the value, it's perfectly fine. They can unsubscribe to you, or they can block you, or they can ask you to don't send to me. That's perfectly fine. But majority of the people will find it as useful, right? And along with adding the value, you can share your webinar registration link. Along with that value, you can share your webinar registration link. Do you feel कि week में अगर आप ये exercise करते हो तो आपके webinar में 60 लोग आ जाएंगे right now without spending a single penny on the advertisement? Can we plan and execute after giving it a thought? Can we plan and execute? Yes. So that entire week you have to create content creation part. क्या है? 10 minutes का live. उसके बाद पूरा का पूरा week distribution है, promotion है, marketing है. And you can use some system to, you can use email marketing tools to reach out maximum people, or you can hire someone to do the Facebook पे 20 group और Instagram पे 20 group और LinkedIn पे 20 group और जितने भी relevant groups हैं उन group में जाके share करना. So along, but you have to keep in mind कि when you are adding a value, you are also adding कि if you want more value, I have 90 minutes webinar planned where I'm adding more such value to you. So right now I have shared the broad thing, but I will give you the complete strategy for that, which is working for me in the next week, because I'm working on that strategy. As soon as my strategy is ready, I will share that strategy with you as well, right? Can we? So, but do you feel is it possible to achieve 3 lakhs in, and if you will add the paid advertisement in it, कहीं से भी अगर आपने पेड एडवर्टीजमेंट ऐड कर दिया इसमें, गूगल एड्स चला दिया, गूगल एड्स थोड़ा कॉस्टली हो जाएगा, फेसबुक ऐड चला दिया आपने, यूट्यूब इंस्टाग्राम के लिए यूट्यूब ऐड चला दिया, इंस्टाग्राम ऐड चला दिया, फेसबुक ऐड चला दिया, तब तो ये आपका नंबर बहुत इजीली अचीव हो जाएगा. यस और नो? Right. Nice. Thank you so much. So this way I have this is one of the this is the one we have tried to crack the code for the SEMA, but you can give me any idea and I can give you the backtrack and you should be able to achieve that goal. So as SEMA has very clearly promptly shared her goal ki 90 days 3 lakhs, and it's very possible. just keep coming to this weekly session and you will be able to achieve. It may take 90 days के बदले 100 days लग जाएंगे, एक साइकिल के बदले 90 days का 2 साइकिल लग जाएगा, but it's perfectly fine. It's perfectly fine. Right. So again 60 lakhs के लिए हम लोग कोड को क्रैक कर सकते हैं. 60 lakhs, ma'am, for you, because I don't have clarity about your product. So once you have the clarity about your product, once you have the cost of the like right now,
No, I'm telling the plan, because I am we have for a hotel direct customers regularly. I want 10 customers, new customers via online marketing or like Goibibo, any online platform. I'm planning for 10 customers from online, via any media. So by that way, if I reach the target, I can easily reach my target. I have to get 10 customers per day from online.
That's fantastic. 10 customers per day. That is the end goal. Clear? 10
Yes,
ten customers per day from online. Now we
Yes.
have to find the strategy. How you can find the 10 customers per day for your hotel, right? You are talking about
Yes,
TM
yes.
Hotels in Madurai.
Yeah.
Right?
Correct.
So now Madurai, can you make a list of all the places to visit in Madurai?
Yes, I can.
We can make a list of places to visit in Madurai. We can make a list of things to buy in Madurai.
Yes, correct.
We can make a historical background of Madurai, historical importance or historical history of Madurai.
Yeah, we can create. Yes.
Right? We can create like why people are coming to Madurai.
Yeah.
Why people are coming for pilgrimage.
90% Meenakshi temple. Yeah.
90% Meenakshi temple. And some of them are coming for business purpose. Some of them are coming for religious purpose. Some of them are coming for like just for historical exploration. Some of them are coming for like getting blessings after the marriage, or some of them are. So you have to find the reason why people are coming to Madurai, right? So we can make a list
from north people, they usually go for honeymoon Kodaikanal. By
Right.
that way, they reach Madurai.
Right. So you can find like 1, 2, 5, 10 reasons why people are coming to Madurai.
Okay. Yes.
Right? And for every reason, can you create a short 5-10 minutes video that how Madurai is helping them to achieve that goal? If you are coming for the religious purpose, so how Madurai is making you more religious. If you are coming Madurai for the romantic purpose, how you can spend a memorable romantic night in the Madurai. Or
Yes.
if you are coming for like in Madurai, if you are coming for business purpose, so what is the business, why Madurai is a business hub, and how Madurai is adding business aspect to the local people or whoever is coming for the business purpose. So what are the business opportunities available in the Madurai? So if you are coming to the travel, you can also go for the these are the 5 business opportunity you can explore in Madurai.
Yes.
So what is the spiritual importance of Madurai? What is the historical if someone is coming, so many people are go for the historical exploration. So if you are coming for the historical exploration, why Madurai is important? If you are coming for the spiritual exploration, how Madurai is important? If you are coming for family vacations, how Madurai can be the best place to be for ideal family vacations? If you are from North India, why Madurai is the place you have to visit, you should be visiting once in a lifetime. So can you create a small video on these topics?
Okay, ma'am, I will create. Sure.
Yeah. So rather, because recording this video may give you some like may take you some time. Like जब हम अपने
Yes,
आप को
I accept your words, because when I got an inquiry in phone for hotel booking, whatever I explained in words, they before I created a video of our hotel, they said I will confirm later, like that. But after that, when I send the video of a hotel, they will again WhatsApp me that I like okay, I book a room, like that. So video makes really a great thing. Your point is very correct. Your point is very correct.
Right. So now what you have to do, like if your video making is taking too much of time, अगर video making too much of time लगा, it's perfectly fine. So just go and do Facebook Live on your TM Hotel Facebook page. Do you have a TM Hotel Facebook page?
Yes, ma'am, but I'm not active. Only active in Google My Business.
Okay, no worries. So just start doing that.
Okay.
Do you have Facebook, your personal profile on the Facebook?
Yes. TM Hotel, we have Facebook.
Facebook.
But
so
not many followers. No, for
it's
many
perfectly
followers.
fine. That will start in one day. So go to your Facebook page, do Facebook Live once in a week. Or if you can do it every day, that's fantastic. But you can just do it. You can go to the Quora and question, just write Madurai. Go to the Quora, write Madurai, and find 100 questions related to Madurai.
Okay, okay.
Go to Answer the Public, write Madurai, and find 100 questions related to. You have to find 100 questions related to Madurai.
Okay, okay.
Right? Make an Excel sheet of all those 100 questions. Again, this is applicable to SEMA and others as well.
Okay.
So you have to increase the footfall in your hotels, and your hotel is in Madurai. You have to go and find 100 questions related to Madurai, right?
Okay.
And make it a routine. If you can do it daily, that would be fantastic. If you even if you're doing it once in a week or twice in a week or thrice in a week, that is also perfectly fine. Let's start with once in a week.
Okay.
Every Sunday or every Friday, you will go Facebook Live on your TM Hotel page.
Okay. Okay.
Right? Or in that Facebook Live, you will answer one of the questions.
Okay. Okay. Oh.
Right? Done. And while answering the questions, you can also talk about if you want to upcoming, if you want, we have a fantastic, whatever the occasion, some occasion, some हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ occasion चलता रहता है. So you can talk about the upcoming occasion जो है, we are planning for, you can be the part of that, and you can, means hotel के बारे में you have to share your hotel registration link there. As SEMA is sharing the webinar registration link, you can share the hotel video tour link. Okay, do you want to see that what kind of space you are going to stay? So just follow this link, or you can find some lead magnets where they can give you the, they can claim that deal कि कहीं पे भी आप होटल में जाएंगे तो आपको 10% का डिस्काउंट मिल जाएगा, या होटल के साथ आपको एक मीनाक्षी टेम्पल का वो एक गिफ्ट वाउचर, whatever. You can think of that, because जो वीडियो आप बना रहे हो उस वीडियो को बनाना वीक में एक दिन है. You have to create that a question answer video once in a week, but entire week you are going to promote that video to all the top communities, top phase. You can, if you have someone in your company, you can give the copy of that video link and ask him to share that video to all the Facebook, all targeted Facebook groups, tour and travel. So why, and that when they are sharing that video, they will not say that okay, TM hotels. They will say that why Madurai is the why Madurai is the important for religious tour. Why, what is the historical importance of Madurai? What is the business importance of Madurai? Why Meenakshi temple is so serene to visit? Why you should get blessings after the marriage from Meenakshi temple? So you are not talking about TM hotels. You are talking about Madurai.
Madurai. So our focus should be on Madurai. In that, we have to create a awareness for a hotel. Right.
And at the end, if you want to know, let's suppose forget about sharing anything. You can just give a Madurai tour guide. Can you create a small Madurai tour guide?
Yes.
Digital copy of Madurai tour guide. Five places to visit, 5 things to eat, 5 things to buy.
Yeah, we can do.
Yeah. Just create use Canva and create a brochures or a catalog or like Madurai tour guide, and whoever is watching the video, ask them to download the Madurai tour guide.
Okay, very good idea.
Right, and whenever they are downloading the Madurai tour guide, you can ask for the email or WhatsApp or whatever connection you want to send.
Okay.
Right, and then start nurturing them. Whenever you are creating a video, start sending them those video to every week you are creating a new video.
Yes.
So that video you have to share all the people who have downloaded the Madurai tour guide.
Okay, I understood.
So that way you are nurturing.
Yes.
So in future, whenever they will plan for the Madurai tour, you are the first option. You are the first option for them.
Correct. Yes.
So can we achieve the goal by that?
Sure. Very nice goal. Yeah, I will definitely follow that.
Right.
But the only thing I'm very shy to talk on.
That's perfectly fine. That's perfectly fine. That will, over a period of time, you will find people will find your voice interest. Like, see, you have your own uniqueness. You have your own genuineness. You have your own reason to be visible. Like you have to. Initially, you will find uncomfortable. Believe me. But after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 live, and you are superstar. You will,
Okay.
when I go live, I never bother about how many likes or how many comments or how many, I never go and see that.
Okay.
So next 90 days, don't go and see the people reaction.
Okay. 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 Okay.
Right,
Sure.
right. So just think about serving, think about giving the best of the best people coming to your hotels, and you are giving them a memorable experience.
Yes. Yes.
Don't think about okay, I'm camera shy, and here you are giving them the lifetime memory of visiting the Meenakshi temple. If you
Yes.
will
Yes.
not go out, they may get trapped into that their vacation can be a disaster for them, or their vacation can be not so good for them. So you are helping them, you are serving them, you are think about if you will not go out. See, so many people, so many good people are not going out. That's why the so many bad people are doing so much of
Yes.
advertisement.
Yeah, like your point is very correct, because South people, they won't ask many questions regarding the shopping, special Madri, but North people ask many questions for this, what special. So we can focus single video on that topic, what special. Yeah, it's a good idea. I will definitely follow your
Yes,
point.
the session is like, I think we are recording the session. You can just revise and make it a point, and you can follow them, right?
Okay. Okay.
And
Apart
believe
from
me,
Facebook Live, then what are the other tips I can follow apart from Facebook Live?
no. So right now, Facebook Live has the entire system where you can click on the live button and record the video.
Okay.
Right. That's why I'm asking you for the Facebook Live. You can go for the Insta Live as well. You can go for the YouTube Live as well, or you can simply record the like pre-recorded video that you can also share, and you create the repository of this content. Create the repository of this content wherever all these videos should be uploaded in your website. All these videos should be uploaded in your Google My Business. All the videos should be uploaded on your like if you have listed in Make My Trip or other places. If you have listed your hotels, go and upload all those videos as well. They are also
Okay.
your because you have to create, you have to do the creation once, and rest entire week focus on distributing this to as many platforms as possible.
Okay. Okay. That's good. Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Right.
So we get a wide range of audience from every platform. Yeah.
Right. So for example, this is the Fabicol. This is one of the Fabicol. I can just see here. This is one
Nice.
Fabicol.
Yes.
This box that company has created once only.
Okay. Yes.
And the entire company effort is in reaching out to the more people but every time you are going to have in that much of cost, you are going to get the same Fabicol bottle.
Yes. Correct.
Right. So in the same way, we are creating once. That is our product. That video is our product.
Correct.
That entire life try to create the video which is useful for forever.
Okay.
Don't create that video which is relevant for today and not relevant for tomorrow.
Okay. Okay. So it should be a long standing. Yeah.
Yeah. That whenever you are sharing on the public platform, try to create the video which is universally true and which is here to stay. At least next 50 years, they are here to stay.
Yes. Yes. Correct. Yes.
So that way you are creating the digital asset, and that digital asset is not going to expire any time. So that you are doing one time effort, and you will get the result of that digital asset for your lifelong.
Correct. Correct. Yes. Even
Right.
for my next generation, they will get customers through that.
Right. On digital medium, just keep one thing in mind. When you are creating more content than you can consume, you will become rich on the digital medium. इतना कंटेंट क्रिएट करना है जितना कि आप उससे ज्यादा कंटेंट क्रिएट करना है जितना आप कंज्यूम कर सकते हैं. द डे यू विल एक्सीड दैट कंटेंट क्रिएशन पार्ट, कि जितना आप कंज्यूम कर सकते हैं उससे ज्यादा वीडियो आप कंटेंट क्रिएट, ब्लॉग के टर्म्स में, वीडियो के टर्म्स में, देन on digital medium you will be on the autopilot. Okay. Then you need not to worry about the leads, or then you have to worry about the scaling up to going to the next level. So then you will become in the autopilot.
Sure.
Right. Initially, you have to focus on that influence building initially.
Okay. Okay. Right? Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, nice. Thank you so much. Here, where you will able to achieve live Facebook, Instagram, YouTube at the same time with one link. Yes, there is one platform. I think OBS is the platform. That is the paid one. I have to still experiment with that platform, where you can go live on all these platforms simultaneously. Facebook, YouTube. There is one. There is a paid software for that, and I will share.
What
Once
name?
I will.
Can you please tell the name?
So OBS. That I will share in the next. Once I will do it, and then I will share with you.
Okay.
Right. Yes, it is fantastic because when you see those Sadhguru videos, have you seen those Sadhguru videos? Sadhguru go live on Facebook, on YouTube, or like PM Modi. Have you seen the PM Modi Man Ki Baat? So
Yes,
Man Ki Baat is live on YouTube, is live on Facebook, is live on PM Modi website, is live on so many places. PM Modi go live simultaneously. Right, so technically it's possible. We have to go and find that. OBS is one of the software. I have to go and explore it. And once my system is a little bit set up, then I will invest in that software, but I will definitely do OBS, BS. Right. So I have so many contacts. I have some because one of my student is doing recording of Sadhana channel. You know the Sadhana channel where the all gurus are come. So he do that broadcast on many channels simultaneously. He is using that software. I have to just you can say that pick him and ask him to set things up for me. So it will take a matter of 1 day or 1 hour. But right now, I think I'm not ready with my system. That's why I'm not approaching it, but it's 100% doable.
Okay.
Okay. So once I will do it and then I will share with you. Okay. So here lights coming back to, oh, awesome. I did it, definitely, I'm sure. So next here is, we are on the website and I wanted to share SEO Yoast plugin sitemap. This is your query, Seema?
Yes.
So, yes, Seema yes, all of you, if you are new here, if this topic is new to you, I'm just giving you a background of this topic. Seema want to install SEO Yoast, right? So SEO Yoast is one of the one of the WordPress plugin to make your WordPress website SEO friendly. To apply all the SEO tactics to your website, you can use SEO Yoast. SEO tactics apply करने के लिए SEO के point of view से आपके हर पेज पे टाइटल होना चाहिए, डिस्क्रिप्शन होना चाहिए, टैग होने चाहिए, इमेज ऑप्टिमाइज्ड होना चाहिए. So from SEO point of view, there are few checklists you should be completing on every single page of your website, and few things you should be completing on entire website. Like your website should have a sitemap, or your website should have analytics installed, or your website should have Google Search Console installed, or your website should have a sitemap or robo.txt created, or your website should have open, that is schema markup implemented. So all these are the SEO things which you should be implementing on any website. And for that purpose, you should be implementing on any website. But applying those tactics required a little bit of coding skills as well. But as we are on the WordPress and we don't want to go into the coding part, we can have a plugin for that. There are so many SEO plugin available in the market. So SEO Yoast is there, all-in-one SEO is there. There are so many SEO plugins are there. So one of the SEO plugin is SEO Yoast. So we are going to install SEO Yoast for Seema. So here you can go to the plugin and you can go to the you can see all the installed plugins we have created so far. So if you can see SEO Yoast is already there, you can simply use it. If SEO Yoast is not there, you can click on add new. SEO Yoast. How many of you have heard this for the first time? कितने लोगों ने SEO Yoast को पहली बार सुना है? Okay, Madan has heard for the first time. So this is the Yoast SEO. This is the one plugin. Okay, Meenakshi ma'am, you have also heard for the first time. SEO Yoast is one of the plugin, one of the WordPress plugin to implement the SEO features on your website. So this is one of the plugin. You can see that compatible with your WordPress version. Its last update is 1 week ago. 5-star rating. 27,350 people have done that rating and reviews. 5+ million active installations. You can go to the details and see that what are the features you can get from here. So you will be able to add meta tags. You can add canonical URL, means that that is to understand all these aspects, you have to learn SEO. If I will share the SEO video, you can go through that SEO video and then you will understand it better. So you can apply the canonical URL, meta tag, XML sitemap, and then branding के लिए structured snippet, consistent structured snippet, and then increase the chance of getting in a rich result. Rich result means question answers, or when Google not give your general title descriptions, they give the rich results. So here site breadcrumb and faster load time, or this is the free features. These are the free features, and the premium. So premium, you are getting all these features. So you are going to get the SEO analysis, readability analysis, language analysis, Google preview, schema markup. These are the free one. Again, internal linking is the premium part. This is the premium. This is the premium. This is the premium part. That's why it's called freemium. So basic part is free and advanced part is paid. So you can go and see that if it is fulfilling all your requirement. Yes, even in the basic one, they are fulfilling majority of your requirement. So you can simply install it. So this is a minimum, this kind of investigation you will do for any SEO, for any plugin or theme. So you have to go for the, what does it cost? I'm not sure how much cost it is. I think it will start with, let me see the pricing. $29. It should be start with a $29. So, okay, all the SEO features. For one website, okay, for one website, you start with $89. For two websites, you want one website for $89. So it's $89. In rupees, it's 6,600.
It's one time we have to pay, or every year?
It's one, how many sites? It's a one time I should, because otherwise it's monthly or yearly it should be written. 1 year free access and focus keyword automated. You can also just go through this checklist and apply those checklists manually. You can just go through this checklist, whatever checklist SEO Yoast is giving you, and you can apply all those checklists manually as well. So if you know the SEO part, all right. So here, initially, can you use it on the multiple website? After, for every single website, the cost will increase. For every single website, the cost will increase. For one website, $89, including 1 year of free updates and support. So next year you will be able to use the same software, but update will not available. Okay, so even in the basic version, you are going to get enough support from the SEO point of view. So I would suggest.
I got a point.
Mm-hmm.
See, if you are talking about Yoast SEO,
Mm-hmm.
can you take a lifelong membership or subscribe to it so that you can use it? If you are a professional builder,
Mm-hmm.
then you can use it on various websites. So every time you buy, like I have seen this, what you call SEOs being done
Mm-hmm.
at $400 to $500. Okay, and then like if you are going to pay $150 just for the Yoast, then you're not making any profit. No.
Mm-hmm. No,
What
if
is your
you are
suggestion?
providing it as a professional services, then the game will be, story will be entirely different. If
Then
you are
there-
providing SEO service professionally, then the entire game will be different, right? So what I'm saying here, to even SEO Yoast is fantastic tool, but you don't have the basic understanding of the SEO, you are not going to use this tool efficiently.
Okay.
So if I would suggest, before applying to the before going and buying to the SEO, what you can do, just go and see the checklist, see this checklist, and make your hand dirty and apply the checklist once in a week, 1 point in once in a week.
Okay.
Because whatever SEO tool is doing, every single thing you can do manually as well.
Okay.
Right. So once you are hands-on with the, like once you are hands-on with the keyword optimization, let's suppose they are giving you the option to enter the keyword, but you don't know the keyword research and analysis. What keyword you will enter? Right. So I mean to say that if your page, SEO Yoast will make your page indexable by creating the sitemap. But you should have the clarity that which page should be given how much weight is. Home page is most important. Service page and pages are next most important. Blog page are third most important. All those privacy and contact us pages can be list most important. So that way you have to understand the basic. Then only you are going to use this tool, and uh, you can take advantage of this $89. So when you are applying this professionally, the game is different because they know the checklist. They have to just enter this data. For beginners, like for who is just getting started, they should have that basic clarity. Then they can take the Then they can take the advantage of this part.
Right.
Right? So that's why I'm saying even in the free version, they are giving you that much of feature. You will not able to use that features. फ्री में भी वो आपको इतने फीचर देता है कि उसको यूज करने में आपको 1 से 2 महीने लग जाएंगे अगर इफ यू आर डूइंग इट कंसिस्टेंटली एवरी सिंगल डे इफ यूर that focus is the key. If let's suppose once our website is ready, in 1 month I'm going to focus on SEO only, then you will be able to apply all those free things available in the SEO Yoast, and then you can think of upgrading it to the paid one. Even if you're going to upgrade it to the paid one, I would suggest कि अगर time है आपकी website है, go and implement it one by one, and then go for आपको रिपीटेटिव जॉब करना है, देन यूज एनी टूल और देन आउटसोर्स इट.
राइट.
तो जो भी काम कोई टूल कर सकता है वो सारा काम हाथ से हो सकता है. जो भी काम कोई दूसरा कर सकता है वो काम आप भी कर सकते हैं. तो आपने जब वो काम किया हुआ है तब उस काम को टूल से करवाना भी बहुत आसान हो जाएगा और उस काम को आउटसोर्स करके किसी और से भी करवाना बहुत आसान हो जाएगा.
राइट. Thank you.
So initially, because in digital medium, so many complaints I get, keep people, I have given the money, but I'm not getting the result. I have discontinued the services and all that, because there is a gap. You are giving the money and you are expecting कि आप कोई like someone is doing magic to you, but they might be knowing SEO Yoast, but they might not be knowing your unique offering. They might not be knowing your business. They might not be knowing your target audience. So they will not do, even they are expert in SEO Yoast, they will not do justice with your website. If they are not into your website, understanding your product, understanding your services, understanding your target audience, understanding the pain point of the target audience. तो जब आप खुद से करे रहेंगे ना तो उनको आपको बताना ज्यादा आसान हो जाएगा. Yes. So here coming back, Seema has shared the sitemap. It's perfectly fine. Seema, your sitemap is going fine.
Yeah, so what I was saying is like when I submit the sitemap on the search console, it's not taking it. I'm getting errors. And the other thing is I don't see my home page. Like I don't feel this is the complete sitemap. Like I have my contact and, there is a lot, but I see the page is missing here. Like the home is not there, contact services.
Is this the home page?
Yes.
Home page is there. I will explain what you are expecting and what sitemap is giving you. For that, you have to learn the sitemap first. Okay. So here, your sitemap is perfectly fine. All the pages are included in your sitemap. All the pages are included in your sitemap. If you will see all your home page, free calls, my why or element, all the contact us or refund or services, all the pages are there or not?
Okay, let me check. I don't see that at my end.
Okay, why you haven't seen, I will explain you. You will not able to see that. I will explain. Like I will explain you, then you will find it easier.
Okay,
right,
okay.
Right. And why you are giving the error, you might be submitting sitemap.xml. You have to submit sitemap_index.html. This should be the file name you should be submitting. Sitemap_index.html. Then only your file will be accepted by the Google. Okay, so Seema has an issue that sitemap, first Seema has an issue with the Google SEO Yoast. So we have installed SEO Yoast, right? We have installed the SEO Yoast. So this is the SEO Yoast and we can see the SEO Yoast here. So the SEO Yoast, as I say, SEO is a very, very, very vast topic again in itself. I will share the recorded video of the SEO topic and you can go through that topic and understand SEO well. One of the basic requirement of SEO is all the pages should be in Google's knowledge. आपने अपनी वेबसाइट पे जितने भी पेजेस बनाए हैं वो गूगल को उसके बारे में पेजेस के बारे में पता होना चाहिए. That is the one of the basic of the SEO. Till Google is not crawling your page, till Google is not indexing your page, till Google will not understand your page will not come to the Google result. Because when Google give the result, they are not giving result from your website. They are not fetching the result from your website. They are fetching result from their own database. जब गूगल पे आप सर्च करते हो, let's suppose I am searching for let's suppose Seema, I am your client, I want your product or services, what should be typing in the Google?
Seema Ravindra coach.
No, I don't know Seema. I want Instagram. I want to learn Instagram. This is what you are providing, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so I want to learn Instagram. Then what should I be searching in the Google?
I think you'll type the best Instagram coach.
Okay, so I'm searching for Instagram coach, rather than I will search for course.
Yeah, course.
Right?
Yeah, course. Yes.
All right. So all these are the ad. That is all different story. These are the ad, and you can see that all these are the leaders. All these are the giant.
Yes.
Right. Udemy or Skillshare or Great Learning or LinkedIn. You and me don't stand anywhere in front of them.
Yes.
Right. So now we are left with the option to reach out to small community which need our hand holding, because the hand holding is missing from there. That personal touch is missing from there. Yes, the kind of personal touch I'm giving you, none of this platform can give you. Can anyone can give you?
No.
So that you have to take the advantage. As a small trainer, coaches, we have to take the advantage of that one, because so many people are there. They get lost in the ocean of knowledge. They can give so much of information. The transformation will not happen because the trainer is not live.
Correct.
Recorded video mein you can share the information, but transformation will happen only and only when you are transmitting the energy in the live session.
Yes.
Right. So here we can what I was saying. Okay, I mean to say that कि ये जो आपको दिख रहा है, ये जो title URL description दिख रहा है, this information Google is not fetching this information in the website. अभी website पे जा करके, Udemy की website पे जा करके Google ने title description नहीं create किया. Google has already crawled this page. Let's suppose कब Google ने crawl किया था इस page को. Google has already crawled this page on 9th July. Is it today is 9th July? Yes, आज ही crawl किया है.
10th.
Today is 10th. So anyway, so Google has already, because Udemy is a big website, every day new contents are coming. So Google is frequently going to that pages and fetching the new pages. So on 9th July, Google has gone to these pages and created a copy of this page. Whatever you are seeing here, Google has created a copy of this page in the Google database.
Yes.
And when someone is searching, Google is giving the result from that database, not from the Udemy live website. But when user will click here, the user will go to the Udemy live website. As a user, I'm clicking here, I'm going to the Udemy live website, but Google is giving me result from the own database. So it's most, do you feel if your page is not in the Google database, will your page come to the Google result?
No.
अगर आपका पेज गूगल के डेटाबेस में है ही नहीं, तो कभी भी गूगल रिजल्ट में आ सकता है? नहीं आ सकता, राइट? यू सेड वेरी राइट, नहीं आ सकता. सो योर फर्स्ट रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी इज कि गूगल आपके पेज को क्रॉल करके अपने डेटाबेस में सेव कर ले. दिस इज द प्राइमरी, दिस इज द एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया. मीन्स कि जो ग्रेजुएशन करेगा वही आईएएस का एग्जाम दे सकता है. उसी तरीके से जो पेज गूगल के इंडेक्स में रहेगा वही गूगल के रैंक में आ सकता है, नहीं तो आ ही नहीं सकता.
करेक्ट.
तो वी हैव टू मेक श्योर कि हमारा सारा पेज गूगल के इंडेक्स में हो. And this sitemap is an effort to do that proactively. The sitemap, when we create a sitemap for our website, that is an effort to do it, to proactively reach out to the Google and say that, okay, these are my pages, crawl it, index it, and whenever someone is searching, rank it. So whenever you are installing SEO Yoast create a sitemap by default. आपको sitemap बनाने की जरूरत नहीं है, ये sitemap SEO Yoast खुद ब खुद बनाता है. जैसे ही आप SEO Yoast इंस्टॉल करेंगे, ये sitemap बन जाता है. आप उस साइट नॉट डायरेक्टली बन जाता है. इंस्टॉल करने के बाद आपको सेटअप करना होता है, नेक्स्ट करके सेटअप करना होता है. एंड दिस SEO Yoast will create this sitemap for you. And this sitemap is perfectly fine. Only difference is you are assuming your website as a small website. And you are expecting कि एक ही साइट मैप हो, उसी में मेरे सारे पोस्ट का URL भी हो, सारे पेजेस का URL भी हो, सारे लैंडिंग पेजेस का URL भी हो, सारे एलिमेंटोर के लैंडिंग पेजेस का URL भी हो, सारे कैटेगरी के पेज का URL भी हो, सारे टैग के पेज का URL भी हो, और सारे ऑथर के पेज का URL भी हो. Right. So by default, sitemap has scanned your entire website. SEO Yoast has scanned your entire website, and then SEO Yoast has find different kind of pages. SEO Yoast has find कि okay, all these are post. ये blog post है. तो उसने क्या किया, एक अलग साइट मैप बना लिया केवल blog post के लिए. Then they have collected all the pages जो आपने fixed information की pages बनाई है. Sitemap है, SEO has created a different sitemap for all the pages of your website. Then SEO Yoast have created a sitemap for all the Elementor pages of your website. You might even not knowing कि ये page index हो रहा है. If you ऐसा हो सकता है कि you don't want this page to be indexed. So in that case, you have to go to the SEO Yoast and communicate to the SEO Yoast कि कौन से पेज को आप इंडेक्स में डालो, कौन से पेज को इंडेक्स में नहीं डालो. By default, SEO Yoast is picking all of your pages and creating a sitemap for every type of pages.
Oh, okay.
So if you will create a category, let's suppose you are creating Instagram influencer category, or reel category, or story category, or business category, or you are creating a lot of categories related to the Instagram. So whenever you will create a category, it will come to the category sitemap.
Okay.
So what SEO Yoast is doing, SEO Yoast is creating sitemap for every section of your website. SEO Yoast is treating your website as a portal, not as a small website. So yeah, you have the tags of energy or hobbies or happy or millionaire hobbies or passion or photography or profit. So these are your tags.
Yes.
And every tag is a page. Yes or no? Every tag is also a web page.
Yes.
And that web page is aggregating all the pages of your website at one. All the page tagged with that word aggregating at one place.
Got it.
Right. So if we are going to the energy page, so what is the energy tag page? कि जितने भी पोस्ट को आपने एनर्जी से टैग किया है वो सारे के सारे एक जगह कर रहा है वो. But ultimately this is a page.
Correct.
Right. So SEO Yoast is treating your website as a portal, and they are expecting that you have hundreds of pages or hundreds of blog posts or hundreds of categories or hundreds of tags or hundreds of like authors. So that's why they are creating separate database for all these sections.
Okay.
And that's perfectly fine. If you want, you are not happy with it, you can simply go and create this sitemap manually and collect only, pick and choose only the important pages which you want to be crawled, and then you can upload it on your server and use it as a sitemap. That is also perfectly fine. But this dynamic sitemap has the advantage that whenever you will create a post, whenever you will create a page or a landing page or a category page or a tag page or an author page, automatically it will get included in your website.
Got it.
Right. So first thing is clear. Is this clear?
Yes, it's clear.
Right? Now, second thing is when you are submitting the sitemap to the Google Search Console, because creating the sitemap is the first step. Creating the sitemap, Google will not know that you have created a sitemap page URL.
Yes.
So what you have to do, either you can link that page in the footer of your website. First thing, what you can do, seemaravindra.com, and you can have a footer link somewhere. In footer link, like you have the privacy refund contact. There also you can have a link called sitemap. Footer में एक और page बना देना sitemap.
sitemap. Okay.
और उस sitemap में लिंक ये क्या डाल दोगे, लिंक क्या डालोगे, लिंक टेक्स्ट क्या होगा,
Link text.
लिंक टेक्स्ट द लिंक यू हैव शेयर्ड sitemap का ये वाला लिंक,
हाँ
seemaravindra.com/sitemap.index_sk. This will be the link text. Sorry, this will be the link URL और link text क्या होगा, sitemap.
Sitemap.
Right. So यहाँ पे link text कैसे, privacy. उसी तरह यहाँ पे क्या होगा, sitemap.
Sitemap.
And when someone will click on that sitemap, where they will go? They will go to this page.
This page. Yes.
Right. So what you are doing, you are creating the sitemap URL here. So whenever Google will come to your page, they can crawl this, they can also crawl this page. As Google is crawling these pages, they can also crawl this page.
Okay, got it.
As soon as Google will go to this page, Google will land on this sitemap URL.
Yes.
And then Google will go to all these pages one by one and crawl and index it in their database. One thing that you can do, and you should be doing it. And another thing, you can create a HTML sitemap, because this sitemap is not very user friendly. बहुत fancy, बहुत अच्छा तो नहीं लग रहा देखने में. So what you can do, you can create a HTML sitemap. You can go to the page and create one page. You can go to your page. Here you can go to your page, go to the all pages and create one page. Add new and create that page and name that page as a sitemap.
Sitemap. Okay.
Right, and hierarchically you can go and design that page for all the URL.
Okay.
So here I can go and name this page as a sitemap, and there I will start home, right, and then I will give the home. I will give the link for the home page.
Okay.
Right. And then I will go and create a home के बाद क्या है, services, right? And there I can give a link to my service page.
Okay, so like this, we have to give all the links.
So all the important pages, whichever page is important to you, you can just create this hierarchy here. And now this page, ये जो page होगा, इस page का rather than giving the XML sitemap link, you can give this sitemap link.
Oh, okay.
Right now we have to publish this page. The page is not published. So let's suppose I'm publishing this page.
And is it fine, like if I add it in the footer, like how they go to my privacy and all other pages, people can also go to my sitemap. That's like, that's fine.
Right. So there you will use this, rather than using this XML sitemap URL, you are creating this exclusive, this sitemap URL. Right?
Okay,
and in the footer section, you have these pages. In the same way, you can add a sitemap. So Google will come to, so this sitemap is useful for the Google as well as for your user. A user को ये वाली sitemap नहीं समझ में आएगी.
Yes.
लेकिन user को, if they are going to this sitemap and they are seeing this home, and they can go to the home and they can go to the services and they can understand the entire structure of your website, and they can go to any pages if they are finding anything relevant, free calls or nut and bolts, and जितने pages हैं सबको दिख रहा है, सारा structure दिख रहा है, सारे blog दिख रहे हैं, blog की category दिख रही है, blog के post दिख रहे हैं. So your user can go to any page as well.
Got it.
So you can create two sitemap, XML sitemap, HTML sitemap. HTML sitemap, you can ideally, if you are not creating the HTML, I would suggest go and add your XML itself.
Okay.
अगर ये HTML आप नहीं बना पा रहे हो या नहीं बनाना चाहते हो, या it's taking too much of time, go and add your XML at least.
Yeah, I think I like, you know, even if I create the sitemap like right now, in future, if there are any changes, this HTML file will not get updated automatically.
Right, you have to go and manually update it.
Yes.
Right. But in XML case, these are getting updated automatically.
Yes, correct.
Right. So when you have done with this XML or HTML, whatever, and then you will go to your search console. Then you will go to your search console. Google Search Console, and wherever you are submitting this sitemap URL, you must be submitting somewhere. And there you should be submit this file name, right? HTML sitemap Google Search Console will not accept. HTML sitemap Google Search Console will not accept. HTML they will accept XML sitemap. So your sitemap URL should be sitemap_index.xml. ये वाली sitemap का URL submit करना है. You might be submitting sitemap.xml. The standard name is sitemap.xml.
Yeah, I think I put like the entire right from the seemaravindra.com. I think
No,
I
Seema Ravindra is default domain. You need not to enter it again.
Yes.
तो सीमा रविंद्र तो है ही, वहाँ तो ऐड ही नहीं करना है, केवल और केवल ये पार्ट, ये फाइल नेम है आपका. इस यू हैव अ सर्वर पे एक फाइल है, उस फाइल का नाम है sitemap_index.html और इस फाइल का नाम आपको गूगल को सबमिट करना है.
Got it.
Right? And then you are good to go.
Awesome. I was like so struggling with this.
Right, so it's perfectly fine. So now you know that, then it making better sense to you.
Yes.
Right, so you will select the right domain. कौन सा domain आप पे काम कर रहे हो, you will select the right domain, and this is the search console. Here you can go to the sitemap, and there you will see your URL is already there. bhavnabhardwaj.com is already there. You have to simply submit your sitemap URL. Even you are creating your XML manually, you can go to the Google. If you don't want to Yoast XML, Yoast sitemap, you can go to the Google and search for sitemap generator tool. XML sitemap generator tool. There are so many tools that will help you to generate the sitemap. XML sitemap generator tool, and there you will enter your website URL and they will generate sitemap for you.
Awesome.
यहाँ पे केवल अपनी वेबसाइट का URL आप डाल दोगे, and they will create not the different file, they will create one page sitemap, which you are expecting कि मेरी एक ही पेज में पेज और पोस्ट और कैटेगरी सारे हो जाएं. You are not able to access it somehow. So might be HTTPS, or you have to why you need a sitemap. So you have to go and okay, so they're scanning and they will create a sitemap for you. अब इस केस में क्या जो sitemap बनेगी, you have to first go and upload on your server. पहले जो आपने 40 pages उसने scan किया, and you can download this your sitemap
file.
XML file आप यहाँ पे download करोगे and go to your file manager, server file manager, upload this file.
Server file manager, okay.
सर्वर पे फाइल मैनेजर के अंदर public_html एक फोल्डर होता है. There you have to go and upload this file.
So this is like on the domain, I mean like on the GoDaddy
जहाँ से भी सर्वर है, wherever your server is.
Okay.
And there
can you tell the path once again please? So this is server
hosting पे जाओगे, hosting के अंदर फाइल मैनेजर.
Okay, hosting के अंदर file manager. Okay.
फाइल मैनेजर के अंदर public_html folder.
Okay, public_html folder.
And in that folder you have to upload.
Got it.
Right. So so this way you can just you can view your XML file, and this is your XML file. Right. So now in this case your file name will be sitemap.xml. When you upload this file, the name of the file will be, when you download it, तो ये फाइल जो आप लोकल सिस्टम में स्टोर होता है वो sitemap.xml के नाम से स्टोर होता है.
Okay.
तो आप सर्वर पे जब अपलोड करोगे तो sitemap.xml अपलोड होगा.
Got it.
And then in that case you should be submitting XML. यहाँ पे अब आपको sitemap_index.html नहीं, आपको ये वाली अपलोड, जो भी आपके sitemap का फाइल का नाम है वो आपको यहाँ डालना होगा.
Okay, got it.
It can be anything. It can be XYZ, ABC, whatever name you have given to your XML file name, that XML sitemap file name, that you should be keeping here. And then you can submit, and then Google will find that file on your server, and then Google will go to all the links you have given on your sitemap.
Got it.
Right? Okay, so it's 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. I have to start my office. So can we find it? How many of you find this session useful? Do you want this session to be on the weekly basis? Because there is no structure to the session. Whatever is your issue, I will fix those issue one by one, and then I will create a repository of all this content that you can refer anytime.
Ma'am, this also you'll be sharing recording?
Yes, definitely.
Because I could not attend the starting 1.5 hour, so I'll just see it.
Perfectly, I'm going to share that screen. I'm going to share the recording anyways. All these recordings are available to you. I'm planning to have this क्वेश्चन आंसर फॉर्मेट पूरा पूरी रिपोजिटरी का आई एम लुकिंग फॉर अ टूल जहाँ पे like there is a very good plan for that. You can easily find any content on from all this recording as well. So right now I'm going to upload share the YouTube unlisted video as a recording, but in future it will be better organized. Okay, I had internet problem and missed early part of this program. Will be recording? Yes, will be recording, will be there in the group itself. Right, so I can understand you guys have many other questions, and one by one I will resolve all the questions to you. Right,
Thank you so much, Bhavna.
okay, nice, thank you. And yes, thank you so much. I will look forward, because here I don't have any structure to follow, so just I don't know in which direction the session will go, but that I can make sure that whatever is working for me, that I will share with you, so that will be useful for you as well. So looking forward to see you. जो लोग भी Monday को आना चाहते हैं, Monday we will have a regular session, and apart from that, this kind of session we will have a next Saturday. Thank you so much, thank you so much. And जैसे अभी आज हमने सीमा के लिए और मीनाक्षी मैम के लिए अपना कोड क्रैक किया था. Once you have the revenue goal in mind, सीमा ने भी अपना revenue goal share किया, then we are able to backtrack it. मीनाक्षी मैम ने भी अपना revenue goal share किया, then we are able to backtrack it. In next session, I want all of you to come up with the revenue goal, and then we will look into how we can achieve those revenue goal in the minimum. As one of sir has said, 60 lakhs. So 60 lakhs in what time? So you have to break that 60 lakh in daily goal. So we will look into that 60 lakh goal. We will look into that 60 crores goal. But you have to come up with your goal, and then we will look into that how we can crack the code to achieve the goal. Nice. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Have a blessed day ahead, and looking forward to see you on Monday. And tomorrow, yes, one more thing. Tomorrow I'm going to organize one website creation. Whoever want to create a free website, I know you are way ahead. You guys are way ahead from creating the free website. But आपके near and dear में कोई लोग भी free website WordPress पे free website बनाना चाहते हैं, and they are most invited for tomorrow 11 o'clock session. So I will share the link. You can share that link with your friend and family. Whoever want to get started with the WordPress, they have zero idea or they have less idea, and how they can get started with the digital medium. That kind of
like a orientation.
Orientation, yes, that's orientation kind.
So
orientation, digital blueprint orientation
for the next batch.
For the next batch. Okay. So if you want to revise that orientation entirely, you can. You are most welcome.
And my humble request is, ma'am.
Yes. That recording will be not available. That orientation recording.
Ma'am, my humble request, you please have a plan for.
Yes, e-commerce.
No. I'm asking, my humble request is please have a plan for. Yeah.
E-commerce is all.
That's me needed, ma'am.
Yes, definitely e-commerce very soon. I think most likely next Saturday or next to next Saturday, I will all of you have your online store integrated on your website. Right?
Okay.
Fine. Nice. Thank you so much, and thank you so much for being here, and looking forward to see you again. Bye. Take care. Question.